Douglas PUD completed construction of our new 230,000 volt transmission line into the rapid switchyard in Rock Island. The next phase of this project is to convert the 230,000 volt transmission power level into the 115,000 volt power level used in service areas in Douglas County. The purchase of a new 230,000 volt transformer was required to accomplish this task. Transformers are customized for specific needs, and the handling of the transformer is of critical importance. Len Anderson is our system engineer overseeing the transformer installation.
This transformer was built and moved across the country by rail. Because of the critical internal alignment of the coils, multiple shock recorders were used to monitor and record all forces experienced by the transformer during transport on the rail car. With acceptable shock recorder data, the transformer is cleared to be offloaded and transported by truck the approximate 4 miles to the switchyard. The next step will be to move the transformer off of the rail car and onto the transport truck. The moving crews will use a jack and slide technique, where hydraulic jacks will lift the transformer as the crew assembles a support platform comprised of timbers and rails in order to keep the transformer safe and level at all times.
Today we will have it placed on the trailer and lashed ready for transport, but with the incline on both sides of the track. And the train is our biggest concern. We're really worried about people on the other side. So everyone is to notify when a train is coming. We get on the rail car or this side of it. Just no one walking by and get a breeze by a train and fall that way. That is our biggest concern with this site. Well, we start by jacking up the rail car, blocking it off for safety. We proceed to jack up the transformer, place a slide system underneath of it. Then we'll bring the dual lane trailer beside it. With all the hydraulics here, we got 100-ton jacks each. We got 400 ton of jacking power underneath the transformer right now. We got a high pressure power unit that goes up to 10,000 psi. And we have a jack table placed over here that controls each jack individual, or 2 at a time, 4 at a time, however you want to do it. That way. So we only go 2 inches at a time, block it off, 2 inches on the other side, block it off, and back and forth. Slide the transformer over top of the rails of the trailer. Use the towers on the trailer to pick it up. Place stands underneath the transformer and cribbing. Come down on the trailer, pull the slide system out and the blocking, come up with the trailer towers again. Transformer will now be loaded on the trailer, lash it down, ready to go down the road.
Moving the transformer across the tracks, along the state highway and down county roads required special permits and communication with the railroad. The new 230,000 volt transformer was delivered to Rapid Switchyard without incident, and unloading onto the concrete pad was accomplished again using the jack and slide technique.
We came in, got the transformer and the trailer lined up to the pad where we want it. Put our stands all underneath the transformer, lowered down the trailer, replaced all the slide system on top of the trailer rails, came back up with the trailer, pulled all of our stands and blockings. Now we're just sliding the transformer over. We're going to bring the transformer down about 30 inches, slide it over top the center of the pad, place it on the turntable, turn the transformer, set down on the ground in place.
Following delivery, the next step will be the construction and commissioning of this critical piece of equipment.
Today marks the first day that we had the crane on site, so we're starting to put that together to do internal inspections, and we're going to hang the conservator tank on the transformer brackets.
The transformer is filled with mineral oil, which provides cooling and acts as an insulating medium. We are also doing internal inspections to verify that the coils and the internal connections are intact after the vibrations from the rail and truck moves. Throughout the week, we will be installing the bushings, which are insulators where the connections to the transformer are made to both the high side, in this case 230,000 volts, and the transformed voltage of 115,000 volts, which will be used for our main service areas in Douglas County. The final parts to be mounted on the transformer will be the radiators. The radiators act similar to a car's radiator, where the oil flows internally through them while the air flows externally, cooling the oil as it passes through. Following the installation of the 16 radiators, all mechanical portions of the transformer installation will be complete.
The new transmission line and required switchyard equipment supports Douglas PUD's mission of providing low-cost, reliable electric service.